The question we're having today says a man sold 100 articles at 25 for 66 naira no kobo and made a gain of 32%. Now let's tackle this first statement. A man sold 100 articles. So the man has 100 articles at 25 for 60. So every 25 you see here, every 25 of the articles, he sells them at 66 naira. Is that clear? So the question is, how many 25 articles will you see in 100 articles? That's how many 25 makes up 100. That should be 4, right? So I have 25 articles plus 25 articles plus 25 articles plus 25 articles. That's the summation of, we have 425 in 100 articles. So he sells 100 articles at each 25 for 66 naira. So this one costs what? 66 naira. This one equally costs what? 66 naira. This one equally costs what? 66 naira. This one equally costs what? 66 naira. Do you understand what they say? Now he sells them and made a gain of 32%. After selling it, he made a what? A gain. His gain was what? 32%. Is that clear? Now, how much did he sell all of them? Let's find it first. So we have 66 plus 66 plus 66 plus 66. That's what he sold. That's the selling price of the 100 articles. That would be 66 times 4. It will give you 264 naira. Is that clear? Now, let's finish this question. The question now says, calculate his gain or loss percent if he sold them at 20 for 50 naira. Now, they're asking you to calculate whether he gained or what lost, the percentage of it. If he sold them at 20, had it been he sold them, that they're just saying, had it been he sold them for what? 20 for 50 naira. That's out of the 100 articles, right? He sold each 20 for 50 naira. Now, how many 20 articles we see in 100 articles? That should be what? 100 articles divided by 20. That should be what? 5. Cancel, cancel. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5, right? So it means that 20 articles wrapping around into what? 5 times. Is that clear? Now he sold 20 for 15 naira. That's 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. That's this one costs 15 naira, 50, 50, 50 into 5 times. That was what I was explaining. So you have to do the 50 times what 5. That's what 250. So this their second statement means calculate his gain or loss if he sold them for, if he sold the 100 articles, 250 naira. Now they said that when he sold them at 264 naira, he gained 32%. Is that clear? Now when they sold what they are asking you, what would be the gain or loss if you sold all of them for 250 naira? Is that clear? Now let's tackle here. We'll tackle the question from here. Giving us the percentage profit here, we remember that the formula of percentage profit is what? Selling price minus cost price all over cost price times 100 all over 1. Does it make sense? Now, what's the percentage profit for here? It is 32, right? Now, 32 is equals, what's the selling price? 264 minus, do we know the cost price? No. Let's find the cost price. Let's call it X all over the cost price again, X times what? 100 over 1. So this over 1, we have to multiply, open the bracket there, 264 minus x times 100. So we have to open bracket. So I'm having 32 over 1 is equals 100 times 264 is 26400 minus 100 times minus x, that's minus 100x all over x times 1 is what? X. So in this case, we'll cross multiply. 32 times x is 32x is equals 26,400 minus 100x times 1 will give us 26,400 minus 100 what? X. So in this case, what do? We collect like times. This comes over. So I have 32x plus 100 what? X is equals 26,400. Does it make sense? So this plus this is actually 132x is equals 26,400. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x over 132 over 132. Cancel, cancel. So that x is equal 26,400 divided by 132. If you do it, it will definitely give you what? 200 naira. Now this means that the man bought the 100 articles how much? 200 naira. Now he bought it 200 naira. When he sold them at 264 naira, he made a gain of 32%. Now They're now asking you, we should calculate his gain or loss price if he sold them at this. Now, selling them at this, I've explained it means that he sold the 100 articles, 215 naira. Now, will he gain or loss? He will gain, right? Because he bought the 100 article. This is the cost price, 100 article for 200 naira. Is that clear? So it means that the man made a profit again. So if we have to calculate percentage what profit, that's the gain percentage. So the percentage profit, the formula I gave you again, the formula is still selling price minus cost price all over cost price times 100 over 1. So we are looking for percentage profit. Percentage profit is equal to the selling price. Now they're now asking if you sold them for 250 minus the cost price. We calculated it gave us 200 all over the cost price, 200 times 100 all over 1. So the percentage profit is equals 250 minus 200 is actually 50 all over 200, right? Times 100 over 1. Cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0, cancel 0. 2 here, 1. 2 divide 50, that was 25. So the percentage profit when he sells the 100 article, or had it been he sold the 100 article 250 naira, would definitely be 25%. I hope you understand. Please have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Coaches Academy. Bye bye.